morning, guys. T-minus 4 days until Sierra Leone, and I'm on my way to the doctor's office for this is like the 4th time this week I've been to the doctor's, y'all. It's y'all don't even want to know. Y'all don't even want to know why. But I have to actually go get my shots today. I'm like running out of time to do everything. But yeah, and then I have 2 hair. Oh my god, I got makeup on my jeans. I just washed these. But anyway, I got 2 hair appointments today. I will be in Hair to Please salon all day. Literally. I'm gonna be in the salon all day doing hair. Last night I pin curled my hair, so today I am doing a, what is this, 60s, 50s inspired hairstyle with the pin, looking like a pinup girl. I just kind of wanted to try it out and see if for the funeral my curls would actually hold. So that's what I got going on in my head. You have to find out.
Who? What?
Hi, old man.
Yeah, old passy granny, you don't die. Yes. Old person.
Where the money at?
What money?
Don't you owe me money?
For what?
For being your daughter?
For being, no, you owe me money for bringing you into this world and taking care of you for the
Oh
past
my god! Oh, Granny. Oh, this one is so cute. The calendar is so cute. All right, Patrick. I got my shot.
You finally got your shot. I told you.
What about the typhoid pill?
I don't know about typhoid.
My dad is stressing me out.
Yeah, but finally I made up my mind. Like, okay, you know what? She's gonna be too cute. Let me, bring her out.
Oh, I'm cute.
Oh God, not wrong warning.
Dad, I'm serious.
No, I'm not serious.
They're not gonna let me go into the country. What do you mean?
You not get yellow fever yet?
No.
Well, I said the Lord let you go to the country.
You did.
Okay, yeah.
You sent me the thing.
I'll leave you at the airport.
I thought they were saying they won't let people in.
I don't let you go.
Okay.
The thing is, if they don't even let you to come back out, that's all right. You can stay there. I'll be sending you $50.
$50 a month?
Oh, this is for you, Sierra, Alice, and
I am Santa.
This is it? Yeah, take one. Take that stack there.
What if I want 2?
2 of what?
The pin.
It's packed. How you feel about Creole Mommy show?
I don't know, Dad.
You feel about that Creole Granny? Who's hairstyle you make so?
Girls.
Where's my stuff?
Your stuff. Good morning, y'all. Well, who even knows if it's morning where you're at or where I'm at. But I just wanted to come on here really quick and give an update on preparing to travel to Sierra Leone. I know, I'm not sure if you guys saw my other video, but if not, please go check it out. I kind of talked about what you need to prepare to travel to Sierra Leone, and one of the things that is very important, which is your malaria pills. So today is 2 days before my trip. It is Sunday, and I have to take my malaria pill right now because I'm getting ready to go out and I have work at 3 o'clock. So if I don't take it now, I don't know if I'm going to remember later. So I already popped it out of the thing. And this is... this is what it looks like, okay? Yes, I'm still going to take it regardless of the fact that it fell. You have to take it at the same time every day. Right now it is 1 o'clock. That's the time I get out of bed. So here I go. So hopefully it works. It's like, no. I'm getting ready to meet my cousin Hassan at the Cherry Hill Mall. Mind you, it's 1 o'clock and it was snowing. It's still snowing. Oh my God. I have to get my scarf. I have to meet him at the mall because his mom actually lives in Sierra Leone and he wants me to take some. He just came back like last week and he wants me to take some stuff for his mom. So I'm gonna go meet him there. But my little cousin called herself calling me. That's my sis. But I'm like, dang, you messing up my YouTube video. And she's like, yes, YouTube. I'm like, oh my God. So, on my way to the mall. Look, y'all, it's really snowing out here. Now when I open the door, I hope the snow don't go inside. Okay. So I gotta clean the snow off of my car right fast. And then I'll be on my way to Cherry Hill Mall to link up with Hassan. Wait, but why would I ever have to do this? Like, are you excited? No. I'm more stressed out than anything. I'm really deep down inside and on the surface sad. Like, I'm sad. Period. I'm just sad. So, nobody ever wants to say goodbye to a family member. I have the worst camera etiquette, y'all. I'm doing everything except for what I'm supposed to be doing. And that is not how you're supposed to do this, you know? I think. I don't know. Hassan on the camera and he don't even know it. Oh, he brought a friend.
Yo, cuz.
Hey.
What's up?
Hi, how are you?
You always vlogging.
Yeah, say what's up.
This my friend Teo.
Hi,
I'm
Teo.
Hassan. Hey. I'm her cousin.
Yeah, I already told them. I already know.
Oh,
who
are you starting
are.
the Sierra Leone vlog early?
Yeah, I hope it works.
Yeah, it is. That's a bright camera. That's a clear camera.
Oh,
What's that?
thank
The X is
you.
good one.
Yeah, it's the first one.
Thanks. Let me get you this stuff. You know what?
All right.
I'm so sorry I didn't have to bring a plastic bag.
Whatever. Oh,
so
my
cool.
nails.
But
So it's T minus, let me say, like 8 hours until I'm preparing to actually leave and go to the airport. And I'm in Walmart buying last minute shenanigans, of course. If you know me, you know I'm last minute. So I'm in here trying to get some snacks because I do know that I should get some saltine crackers. I do know that we'll get like hungry. My cousin emphasized the fact that you're gonna need snacks. So I'm in here trying to get some snacks. I'm trying to get some Chex Mix. Olivia put me on to the good kind that I've never had before. And I'm just trying to see what else really like I would want to eat. I'm thinking maybe Goldfish, the pretzel mix. I like those. They have Parmesan. Ooh. I used to eat whales. But yeah, I'm tired. And it's, what time is it? My Apple Watch died. It's 1 something in the morning. Almost 2. And I probably won't sleep pretzel sticks. Yeah, I probably won't sleep. The other day I bought skinny popcorn. I don't know if y'all ever had this before, but if you haven't, make your way to the store and cop up. The Chex Mix should be here. Hi. And I was gonna get like Big Glaze or something, but I don't see them here. So maybe not. I'm just trying to see because I'm ready to be in Africa for like 2 weeks and I might eat all the snacks in one day. So I'm concerned about myself. So yeah, I still have some packing left to do. And my mom keeps trying to get her hair done and we're literally leaving tomorrow. She's gonna say to me, oh, we can do my hair in the airport in Brussels. Like, who are you talking to and why are you talking to me like that? I'm cracking up. Why would she ever want to do that to me? Like, literally detriment my whole everything that I am. So that's not happening. That's chalked. I canceled her. But maybe I could do her hair when we get there. She just does a lot. But I'm concerned because she's not traveling with me. So I'm worried about if she's gonna have everything that she needs and things of that nature. Probably have too much of what she needs. But that's none of my business. I digress. Okay, this is getting a little too long. I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, delirious me checking in at 2:05 a.m. Hey mom. She's pretending to pack. And she just told me that she's entitled to 12 pounds out of me and my sister's bags. So picture that with a snapback. Then my dad just called me and his car broke down. So now I gotta go pick him up from wherever him and the car are getting towed to. So at whatever o'clock, what time is it? 2:22 a.m. Looks like I'm not getting any sleep. Mom, are you excited? No.
Before travel.
Honestly, I'm not ready. Plus, she going for so long, she don't even got enough luggage space. Like, I'm just confused about her. We're working on her right now. We're working on her because I got it together and she don't. So, we're going to work on you this morning. It's morning, y'all. It's morning. And apparently, I'm leaving at 9 a.m. I'm not going to sleep. Better pack this. Where's your bag? Are you still taking this one? Red one? You can't.
I didn't decide on my carry-on. I think I'll have time to get my Vera Bradley.
I don't know. Do you have time to get your Vera Bradley? What time? Never mind. So what is all this? Where can I put this for you to?
Wish I had my nails.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, what are you gonna get on your nails? Is it gonna take long?
Yeah, pink and white.
Oh yeah, pink and white.
Shouldn't take that long.
I was planning tomorrow to get up at 7 a.m. to be at Target by 8 a.m. to find my glasses. Meanwhile, they're in my pocket. I thought I left them in Target. Oh my gosh, I have to show you my bathing suit. All right, y'all.